I gotta say, this video has been something I've been looking forward to for a very long time, and it must go without saying. A huge shout out to anybody who went ahead and felt necessary to donate a little bit, a lot, whatever it was, to my GoFundMe to help with the whole move situation and the whole shop situation. It's because of you guys, you are able to help me get this spot, so I really do appreciate that. Without further ado though, let's go ahead, let's hop in, let's check it out. Welcome everybody to the new shop. Wow, welcome. What do you guys think? This is the new place, man. I know you guys got a good little shot of it all empty in the previous video, but we have fully stocked this place up. Guys, it has been an absolute mission to get this place in the current state that it's in, and by no means am I completely done with it. This is just kind of a current state where it's at about, I don't know, I've probably moved in for almost 2 months now. It's actually pretty crazy to think about. And yeah, it's coming along really well. I'm really happy with this location, and like I said, it really feels like home, so that's really all I could ask for. So for today's video, I figured we go ahead and kind of just take a quick walk around. I'll kind of show you guys the layout, how I've got things set up, what I've got going on here, and pretty much what the plan I've got in my head, you know, at least for the time moving forward, what I want to do here, what I want to get done here, and what you guys can expect from me out here as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and I'll take you guys on a quick tour, and we'll keep this video rolling. So starting off on the outside, you guys can see first off we have a really awesome lot. It's really cool to have this here. No more dust, no more dirt just piling its way into the shop. So I absolutely love that. That's gotta be one of the best parts about this shop is the beautiful lot. So obviously we have the end unit. Got some greenery, some stuff going on over there. Not bad, pretty nice. And as we walk in, first of all, power door. Electric door, that's luxury. Insulated door, it's a beautiful door. Everything about this shop is really awesome. As you guys can see, we've obviously got our heater for the winter. It's gonna be very useful. It's gonna come in handy for sure. Another cool thing that we have is a drain. The lighting is actually pretty good. We have about four LED lights. I can always go ahead and add more if I need to, but honestly, let me know what you guys think with the footage, how it looks, but I think we're pretty good on lighting. It's gonna be okay. Like I said, if I do need to add some more, we definitely can. But yeah, so obviously you have the entrance door, and pretty straightforward. I've just kind of slowly started to organize my stuff and put it in places just that, you know, it makes the most sense. Bought some nice cabinets, at least I bought one cabinet. It's about 300 bucks. They're pretty expensive, but honestly, if you think about it, 300 bucks for a nice little cabinet like that, that's not too bad. I actually went ahead and was able to buy myself a new toolbox. Again, thank you to you guys, because without you guys, I would not have this toolbox. So I actually got it on a really good sale. It was like 1,300 bucks originally, got it for 1,000, brand new. Really nice Husky toolbox. Much more of an upgrade compared to what I was using. I just had like one of those little five drawer carts before, my white one, which is now over there. But this thing is awesome. Hopefully you guys like it. Much cheaper than a Snap-on, and I am content. This thing the quality is awesome. I don't know, maybe do a toolbox tour or something like that one of these days if you guys want to see the tools I'm working with, just if you want to get started yourself. Really quick, the floors, obviously the floors aren't anything fancy. But I'm totally okay with that. You know, they look fine. They're nothing crazy, like I said, but you know, it's gonna be okay. I'm not gonna put any time or effort into going ahead and epoxying the floors or doing anything like that. There's just no need. I don't own this place, so it's not like I'm gonna go ahead and put a lot of time and effort into making it look absolutely perfect. This is gonna be just fine. So moving on the wall, I got my welding cart set up here. It's tricky because at the moment the shop does not have 220, but I think I'm just gonna run the welder off 120 because all the stuff that I weld I'd never really need the power of 220 to go up to that high. So having 120 volts, 140 volts or amps will be more than plenty to do what I need to do. Got these free shelves, painted them up. They're pretty rusty, but honestly, you can't even tell anymore. A little bit of black paint and it looks pretty good. So obviously you can see they're pretty bare, pretty empty. I'm still trying to figure out where to put everything, and you know, I've never really had this much storage space ever available to me. In the last shop, you guys know, there was absolutely zero storage. Things just ended up on the floor, things just ended up everywhere, and it turned out to be a messy place. Obviously, you guys know we have the S13. I'm gonna do a full project car update in an upcoming video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But yes, we still have the S13. Kalvin's garage, that's a classic sticker right there, but yes, she's still here with us, and I'm pretty happy about that. Shout out to my dad, he actually built this workbench for me, really solid. And all I need to do, I think, is to finish it off is just to get like a piece of sheet metal, like some stainless steel plate or a little tabletop, just to have like a nice solid workplace, which I think that will kind of cap it off really nicely, maybe toss some paint on the rest. Now we're kind of getting into the little chill area, my little office space, my little home away from home. Now again, by no means is this place complete. I'm still in the works of it, but I just kind of figured I'd show you guys a current state and where we are at the moment. So just a random, I don't even know what's going on here. We have like fabrication stuff, just random things. I need to figure out what this is gonna be for. Maybe I will turn it into a fabrication little tray or a little rack, but the problem is my welder's way over there. So that doesn't really work out too well. So we'll figure it out. Let me know if you guys have any ideas or thoughts or something to make the shop better or more like productive or efficient, let me know. I'm all for it. And I'm just, like I said, just kind of learning as I go, kind of figuring out what works and what doesn't as I kind of make moves. But yeah, so this is my old tool cart that I was working out from. Now it's just kind of turned into just a random, I really actually haven't even touched it since I moved back. I need to kind of organize it. I thought about turning into like a project car specific box. So like, let's say if I'm working on the GTR, I can fill it up with tools like metalworking tools and things like that that kind of are focused on what I'm doing with GTR. So I don't know, we'll see. Just kind of gotta figure her out. Another little work table. I've been working on the GTR pretty religiously the past few weeks. So like I said, just kind of having some space here to work on the car is it's been really nice. So yeah, like I said, moving over here, we got the couch, super comfortable, nice little fridge, got the whole desk set up, computer set up here, my editing station. It's looking really cool. We got some little literature, we got some stickers. This thing's brand new, it's pretty cool. Still in the plastic wrap, never been opened. A couple more GTR mags. If you guys know, you know, this is throwing it back. It's pretty cool though. Is he on the cover of a magazine? Some Hot Wheels, some stuff. Just some things here and there. Check this little piece of art though. I was really happy with that. I found that in Los Angeles when I was just there for the Supercross race. Really cool. Who knows, maybe if I look at it enough for long enough, it'll turn into a real one. Gotta manifest it somehow, right? Gotta start somewhere. GT2 RS, baby. What a beauty. Anybody interested in a turbo? A brand new Borg Warner S3 64.5. Was gonna put it on the Z to make like 750, but at the moment it's just sitting. It's a paperweight. So I bought that probably close to over a year ago now, but yeah, I just obviously haven't done much with it. So this is just kind of like my little hangout zone. It's got to get a little rug, a little area rug or something like that, just to make it a little more cozy, a little more homey. Got to have a little rig set up, you know what I mean? Got the Xbox, have a little fun every now and then, get the homies over, get some laps in. Got the bike looking absolutely sick, sitting really pretty. Really need some more moto homies because I have zero. And I haven't even rode this thing once since I've been back in town, and I'm really actually kind of upset about that because I was hoping to ride it quite a lot, but I just have no one to ride with. I have no way of taking my bike anymore, so it sucks. She's just been sitting. Looking good though. Freshy tire on the back. Check out that, dude. Got that fresh MX-34 on there. Ready to hit the track, dude. Cool part about the shop, got ourselves a window. That's major. Honestly, having some sort of a cross breeze in an area like this is really cool. No AC, but let's be honest, guys, we don't need AC here. Here in upstate New York, it really gets above like 90, 95 in the summer. Very rarely does that even happen. So just having a window to get some cross breeze, get some airflow will be plenty. And it's not like Texas by any means. We're not gonna need that AC. So here I just got like some random stuff, dude. Just some random goodies, trinkets, just some stuff for the GTR in here in these Nismo boxes. I got a bunch of these, just random stuff. You guys see it. Nothing crazy, just some cool stuff that I've accumulated over the years. I just found like these GTR packs are selling for stupid money these days. Any GTR stuff I find in the stores I usually tend to buy. I don't know if it's a problem or not, but I don't consider it one. But I gotta say, apart from all the other features and all the other cool stuff about this shop, I gotta say the best part about it is right here. Let me show you. It's in this room. Best part, dude. By far the best part. Full bathroom, baby. Oh, and it's huge. It's huge, bro. Like, I don't know why it's so big in here, but man, they really gave us some space in this bathroom. Got my GTR door cards. I don't know what they're doing here. Obviously, my OEM quarter panels. I don't know what they're doing here. Those things, actually, I do need some parts off of them. That's why I still got it. Hey, if anybody, this is gonna be such a long shot. If anybody has this inner, like, gas door portion of the quarter panel, because it is a separate piece, mine is completely destroyed. Or if you just have a quarter panel off a car and you just want to chop this out, I would happily take that off of you. But yes, we've got the bathroom. It's honestly great. Having a bathroom in your own shop, your own private place to do your business, brother, it's key. Like, if you guys are looking for a shop that doesn't have a bathroom, I wouldn't recommend it. Obviously, you know, they probably have a shared bathroom or something like that, but nah, man, get a place with your own bathroom. It's incredible. Like, it's crazy. I didn't have one in my old shop, and brother, let me tell you how inconvenient that was. It sucked. So we're happy about that. Love the bathroom. Above the bathroom, storage. Got my hot water heater back there. You guys can barely see it. So we have hot water in this place, which is awesome. Honestly, you could probably live here. Like, let's be real, there's everything you need. Hot water, bathroom, you're good. You got heat in the winter time. We're set. We got the drain for your shower. Set up a little shower out here, drain it straight into the drain. I'm just kidding, but that would be pretty funny. Like, if you needed to live in here for a couple days, like, you totally could. Honestly, I have spent a night here once already. It was great. Continuing along though, we just got, this is just a little rack, just a nice little cool rack, has just these little parts bins in them, and I've kind of just organized them and separated them, more so like just GTR related, like fabrication stuff. Here's some parts that still need to go on the car, you know, subframe brackets, tow hooks, stuff like that. Random bits and bobs. Like I said, we're still kind of in the works of getting everything perfectly organized. That's gonna take me a little bit of time, but you know, little by little, every day, we're making it better. This is another one of those free racks that I got. So my mom, shout out to my mom, she painted this thing up. Like I said, they were so rusty. They look brand new now. And I've just been kind of using it as my GTR parts shelf, GTR tools shelf, so you guys can see all the stuff that I've been working on the GTR, all my tools, my hammers, power tool stuff is just chilling, ready to rock, because I'm just right here working the car. So it's nice and simple. Makes things super easy and efficient. Also, I feel like I should mention something. Sorry if I'm just super rusty on my video skills. It's been a while. It's gonna take me a minute to get back into the whole flow of things and get comfortable on camera again. I feel like I've been so like non-social lately, especially in Texas. Dude, I had like no social interaction. I was just stuck in Texas, in my shop, by myself, all day, every day. And honestly, I kind of had like social anxiety now because of it. So I'm now trying to work on it a little bit better and just be more comfortable in front of people, being social. Cause I used to be a pretty social and comfortable person, but man, I feel like I've got like some social anxiety right now just because of just how things have been for the past 3 years. So yeah, just trying to work on that, getting better, and doing this, filming myself is kind of preparing and helping me with that. So yeah, I just want to say appreciate you guys for watching, and bear with me if the content's a little crap right now. Got a nice little utility sink, got my little air compressor. I really would love to get a proper sized one, but like I said, a good one's very expensive and I'm just not there yet. I really don't use air tools that much at the moment. I'm trying to slowly just move over to power tools, electric, even though they can be kind of annoying and inconvenient. At least I don't need to run an air line. I don't need a loud compressor. You know, there are pros and cons, obviously, but yeah, making do with what I got. So we love that. This is the trusty steed, the old Everlast Power Mig 140E. This thing has built many things. I've probably had it for close to 10 years. Yeah, it's now helping me build the GTR. It's pretty crazy. But now getting over to this side of the shop, you guys can see we got these super badass racks, man. These shelves came in handy to the, I mean, obviously these were not here when I moved in, and there's no other really storage space in the shop to make the most of or use. There is a little bit of loft space up there. As you guys can see, I've got some stuff kind of chucked up there, but you can't really load that area up too much with stuff. It's not like built for that. So having these shelves built up that me and my dad, and actually Ryan, shout out to Ryan, homeboy Ryan came through and was helping us out as well. So we got these shelves knocked out, absolutely killer. A lot of parts here, random stuff lingering around everywhere. But like I said, it's somewhat organized, and that's really all I can ask for. The floor space is great. There's nothing just hanging out on the floor. It's really cool. Really cool. So yeah, man, I'm really stoked on this place. Hopefully you guys are too. It's gonna allow me to create some really cool content and do some really cool builds. I think that's it, dude. I got all my GTR stuff on this side of the shelves, and man, it's really cool, like I said, to have things all kind of organized somewhat in one place, and just kind of know where things are, not have to dig and rummage and scramble through Connex containers filled with bugs, and you know what I mean? Like, it's just everything's out here in the open, visible, organized, and in a good spot. So let me know what you guys think. I'm really excited. I hope you guys are too. This space is so awesome, guys. It's for me, it is a massive upgrade compared to where I was. Just the fact that there's no one over my shoulder, you know what I mean? Just like it's just so much more relaxed here in the best way possible. And like I said, I'm really freaking looking forward to getting on to just starting this whole journey, man, and get back into, like I said, doing what I enjoy doing. And hope you guys can tag along, and who knows, maybe we'll make something happen out here. Would be cool. But like I said, I'm just gonna do it because I enjoy doing it, man. That's what it's all about. I love making content. Love taking you guys along the journey, sharing my stuff as well. It's really cool. It's what it's all about. So try and inspire someone out there, you know what I mean? Like that's really what this whole YouTube thing is for. It's just to try and show you guys, like, hey, look, like, I'm just a dude, just like you guys, you know what I'm saying? Like, just kind of took a couple risks and just tried to build stuff, you know what I mean? And along the way, we've learned a lot, and we're just continuing to apply our lessons learned and get better. So that's what it's all about, man. That's what life is all about, is just continue to grow and get better every day. And I'm just out here trying to do just that. So every day, I just trying to take a step forward in the right direction, and turn things into a better situation, and then more positive, and just make life more enjoyable. That's all we're trying to do, right? We're all just trying to be happy and enjoy life, right? So we're just out here, man, grinding, trying to make the dream happen. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. I appreciate you guys for sticking around until the end. It really does mean a lot. And but shoot, man, that's about it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.